everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let me introduce you a new feature inside the website module, which is click and collect. So using a simple example, I'll explain you what the feature does. So imagine you own a furniture store where the customer purchases different kind of furniture such as sofa, dining table, chairs and everything through your online website. Okay, so you have an online website and as well as some of the customer actually prefer home delivery or may choose to visit the store and collect their furniture. But you don't have a physical store, but you have a warehouse there. Okay, so you can actually use this method which is or this option which is click and collect, and you can uh, prefer your customers to come and pick up their product from there itself before after just creating an order through your website. That's actually called as click and collect. So in this video you'll see how to configure this particular option and what is the advantages of this thing and how it actually allowing customers to buy furniture online and pick it up directly from your store itself. So let me move on to the website first of all. And if I'm inside the website, I can move on to the configuration under the settings. Okay. Under the settings, you can see e-commerce section. There you can find click and collect. Okay. Simply search for that under the e-commerce. You can see it allows customers to pick up their online purchases at your store and pay in person. Once you guys are done with it, you can enable this option. Please do hit the save button. Now you need to configure the pickup location. Okay. So by moving on to the internal link of the pickup location, you will get a dashboard like this to provide the delivery method first of all. And there we have the store details. Under the store details, you need to provide where is the physical location once the customer places the order from there and where they need to collect the product. So there you can provide which is the warehouse or the store location and how many is the opening hour, and there you can provide the location, stock, address and the company. So once you are not your company or you are away from your company, you don't have your system. Okay. And imagine a scenario goes like you just need to change the opening hour, or we can say you just need to add up another store location inside your pickup in store delivery method. How you can simply provide them without a proper system. Okay. Here in Odoo, once you guys are implementing Odoo to your business organization to do all these kind of interesting features and advanced features, there for Odoo, we have a mobile suite. So we Cybrosys introduced a mobile suite for Odoo, and you can simply download this from the App Store and the Play Store as well. So once you just install that particular thing, what you can find is actually you can do whatever thing that you guys are doing inside your Odoo or using Odoo. So if you want to just add a store, move on to the website and you can see this particular click and collect and option. Then what you need to do is move here and you can add what are the store location that you need to add up. Once you guys are done with that, you can hit the save button. So without going to your particular office or without having a proper laptop or a system, you can do all such things using a mobile phone. So what it is as called as you can carry your business using your pocket or inside your pocket. Is that an interesting thing? Okay, so do let me know your comments about that particular app. Okay, so now let's move back to the thing, which means the video topic back. So once you guys are done with all such kind of things, if you can also add multiple stores. Okay, and you can hit the save button. Here I've already configured all those things, and on the top side you can see it is already published in my website. That's called it is in published stage. Okay, now let's move on to the e-commerce and under the shop how it will be reflecting once a customer creating an order. Okay, so if we are moving on to the shop side, what we can see, there we have the product. So one of my customer need the customizable desk, so they are taking or creating an order through the website and they are going to collect this particular product while coming to your physical store or the warehouse. So how they can do, they can simply click on this particular product and they can add this to their cart. Once they add this to your cart, we can check out from the cart itself. Let's move to there after validating all the details like the taxes, which is the total amount and everything. Once they are done with it, they can check out. Once they are at the address stage, there you can see they need to provide the delivery method. Under the delivery method, they have a pickup in store. So they can simply click on pickup in store and they will get the location of where is the warehouse. So there we have the warehouse location. So if they want to see another warehouse location, if they have, I mean, they are in different countries and you have multiple warehouses in different countries as well, or outlet as well, they can select them, like choose this location. Okay. So once they guys are done with each and everything, what they can do is they can confirm this one. After confirming, they can see at the pickup point this is the billing stage. So now they can come to your physical store. At the same time, your staff can arrange all such kind of things, and the payment can be done once they are at your store. Okay, and they can complete the sales order as well. So that's how simply you can use this option inside Odoo. So I hope you all understood this video, and please do let me know about the Mobo as well. And if you have any kind of queries or doubts, please do comment down below. I'll be very happy, and I'll be back with another kind of interesting feature inside Odoo. Till the next video, bye bye.